Hey, it's Don with the DIY Collaborative. Thanks for stopping by. Today, we're utilizing WD-40 yet again for something around our house. This is out on our patio. It's a trash bin that's kind of faded from the sun. And we're going to actually take the WD-40 and we're just going to spray it right on the exterior surface of the can. Then we're going to take our old rag or cloth. In this case, we're just using an old sock. And we're just going to rub it all over, rub it in, clean it, and just make it look better. It's going to help protect it from the sun and the elements. It's going to kind of renew it, make it look better, so you don't have to throw this out and go buy yet another piece of plastic. Looks a lot better. And if you don't know WD-40, check out our website, DIYcollaborative.com, where we talk about how they actually came up with the name for this product. So it was either the 40th uh, it was the 40th attempt at the recipe or the formula to create the product. And when they finally came up with the one that they felt like worked years ago, that's how they decided to call it WD-40. So check it out, give it a try, and see how it works for you, and let us know how you use it. Thanks.